Well, Tessa's been out for a while, just laying here on this, I call it jungle gym. Others just call it a contraption for a snake to chill out on. And I've pretty much left her be. But I've let her be able to lay there and be able to constantly see me as well. And she has. She's just kept her eye on me the whole time. But I pretty much sit here and I talk to her. I let her know that, I have no intentions of hurting her. She's very vocal, extremely vocal. But I'm not making any fast movements or getting in her face. But I want her to be around me and see, that she can exist here in this room with me and that she's safe, that no harm is going to come to her. I want her to feel comfortable enough to explore beyond this jungle gym as well. Maybe not right now, but slowly but surely get her into that real comfort zone. There is no issue between Sia and myself when I'm holding her. It's when I give her the freedom. She takes back the power of herself, and that is understandable. She feels that she's in control again, whereas she doesn't feel that when I am actually holding her. But slowly but surely, with our pythons, they just get so curious that they eventually the curiosity beats the fear and feeling unsure. And the more that she explores and wants to venture and check things out, the fear becomes less and less for her. That's how it works, and it's not me forcing. That's her making those choices for herself to explore. She's not trying to get away from me or avoid me. She's curious, and she wants to know what is and where can I go and what can I do. So this is the start of building up trust. And it's great to get your snake out and handle them. Absolutely. They do need to feel you holding them. But they like this too. And this can also create that relationship and that bond and that trust with your snake. You don't have to be handling them to actually do that. It's a combination of both. Of course, when they're very young, she is very much a climber and really wants to climb. I, of course, am not going to let her actually do that. As you can see, there is no problem in me bringing her back down and putting her back here. She's not grumbling at me at all. Little Miss Determined here. My camera went crooked because it's not screwed in tight enough. I don't want to go into little spots where, I'm in Zoom, in little spots where she may not come out and I have to actually go in and get her out. She's not ready for me to do that with her yet. My other guys, sure. I mean, not even Tessa, although Tessa more so, I think, than Sia. But, you know, I want her to explore. But this is, she's determined. I'm going up there. Where I'm going to actually have to move her away because she will get so determined to go up there, and I don't want her doing that at this point. So I'll move her away, and now she'll probably get crabby at me because I've actually moved her away more than anything. I think my dogs need to go outside. Why do you need to do that when I'm doing a video? Hey? Why? Why? Let me just move her back a bit. As you can see, dogs don't really bother her either. She doesn't, you know, arc up at them or seem too bothered by them, which is good. Totally good. She's got a long reach. Very long reach. See ya? So guys, don't just get your snakes out and feel that, you know, you have to hold them, because you don't. Doing this, being around them, talking to them, them hearing you, smelling you, just knowing that you're there. You're not bothering them, you're not pestering them, you're not, you know, I'm forcing her a little bit to not go where I don't want her to go. But other than that, I'm not hurting her. And I'm touching her. But I'm doing it where I'm not threatening her either. She just gets annoyed with me. But annoyance doesn't turn into defensiveness. She'll just get frustrated and give up. So it's just the start of building my relationship with Sia, is giving her this freedom. She can hang here all day. That's what she'd like to do. I'm happy for her to do that all day. And I'm sure she would. Just hang here all day. So, yeah. We're becoming friends. That's what it's all about. We're becoming friends. So you take care of yourself and your family and your snakes. Ciao.